Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below your favorite altcoin. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and this huge run up that it just had. A lot of bears were wrecked since last night. I remember yesterday I told you guys swing trading this was a huge risk only because the RSI was way above the 70 mark. Even if you didn't make a position somewhere here, you would have still made profit because you would have your long-term holds and then you would also have your swing trades. Now this should have benefited your long-term holds. So you can take whatever you want from your hodl positions and sell right now, as I believe this is technically a top. Please do not swing trade until this RSI at least goes down somewhere here on the 30 mark. And then you can, go ahead and think of swing trading. And you want to have a more low risk, high reward types of trades. There's significant volume as well over here. As you can see, the last couple of times that it did reach that sort of peak, it either dropped significantly or pumped. Now let's go ahead and draw some of our lines here and here. There was some, price movements in this channel before it just shot right back up. Now seeing something like this, because it's not a ascending triangle where it's likely to, go up, there is a higher risk in this trade right here. So I would kind of wait for it to kind of fall back down. So there's too much risk going on right now. So it's not a optimal time to be making any swing trades. You can take your profits that you had in your long-term holds right now and hopefully rebuy back when it does go down, and it will most likely go down because of a story that we have. So if you guys didn't know, PayPal offers to add crypto payments starting in 2021, and they're gonna have wallets on this specific platform. So a lot of the other apps that you're allowed to buy and purchase Bitcoin on their platform, they don't actually give you a wallet. That means the Bitcoin that you just purchased on those apps are not on specific wallets that the app owns. They most likely route those purchases that you make, the buy-ins, to a third party, which is usually an exchange. And the exchanges are the ones that have your Bitcoin in their wallets. And unlike those specific apps, PayPal is actually incorporating a hot wallet into their own platform. So you're able to buy and sell whenever you want. With these other apps, how they work is once you make a buy, you have like a note of it. And if you want to sell, of course you can do so as well. The problem is sending it to let's say a Ledger wallet or another hardware wallet that you have, you're not able to do that. That is because they only allow you to buy and sell. They don't allow you to send off Bitcoin. So just to read the story, PayPal announced on Wednesday its entry into cryptocurrency market according to multiple reports. So PayPal's story was the pump that we saw right here. Because this was posted on Wednesday, the initial run-up was probably because of insider knowledge, and that's why they pumped up Bitcoin, and the rest of this was because of the news breaking out. So I'm just going to read out the article. So the initial supported coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, and this part is the most important part right here. PayPal will thus feature a cryptocurrency wallet letting users buy, sell, and hold crypto via the PayPal apps. So a lot of the other apps, like I mentioned, they only buy and sell. You can't really hold the actual crypto. So if PayPal does implement the sending or receiving of crypto in a hot wallet, it will be a significant change compared to the current apps that just allow you to buy and hold, but not much else. Now, when a story breaks out, usually the coin pumps a significant amount and then there will be a sudden drop 12 to 24 hours later. So I'm expecting maybe another spike. Most it can go up to is probably like 13K before it will eventually crash back down. And that doesn't mean that once it crashes, it's not gonna go back up. It can go back up, and this is where a lot of people should be buying. So at the 11,300 mark is a good time to buy Bitcoin if it does hit that mark. But we can go as low as 10.8K. And in this region is a great time to actually buy Bitcoin. So from the 11,300 mark to the 10,700, around this price range is a great time to buy, and most likely by then the RSI will slowly drop back down. And again, this is just a guess. Right before Halloween we can have a good strong buy-ins here. So again, don't swing trade Bitcoin right now. Sell your long-term holds if you want to, otherwise just ride the wave. Now going to Tesla stock. So this is the pattern that I left alone. I didn't make any changes, and as you can see, this bottom line acted as a great support. So this price action here isn't much of a concern. I'm expecting it to slowly go back up, and hopefully from there it's gonna shoot back up. Now right now we are still in a ascending triangle, so we're still bullish on Tesla stock for now. And just to kind of look back on my previous videos, I told you when this does hit the RSI on the 30 mark, bots usually do buy it back up, and so it will pretty much bounce up. There's not much else to say about Tesla stock. We do know in the future it will be one of the companies that show more growth compared to others, as I feel like it will shoot back up, even though it's not exactly at the 30 range on the RSI. Just on the bullish pattern alone, I feel like we will see a Tesla price of around $500. Now, I have to put out this disclaimer. Whatever I said is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. I am not responsible for any losses or gains that you guys make. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.